Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 red flags to watch out for when you sell your home. Guys, knowing these 5 flags before accepting an offer, it's going to help you keep the highest possible price without all the hassle. All right, so first off, let's talk about the earnest money. In North Texas, it's standard to lay down 1% of the purchase price, giving the seller confidence that they really want the home. So if the buyer offers a lower earnest money, count it as a huge red flag. So typically the buyer either doesn't have that much money in the bank, or they don't want to risk their own money, or it could be that they're just difficult to work with. If they don't have much money in the bank and the appraisal comes in low, guess who's going to have to either lower their purchase price, or you could terminate the contract, starting all over and creating lots of hassle, okay? So here's the solution. Just ask the buyer's agent why they're putting less earnest money down, and simply ask them to raise it up to 1%. Number 2, the option money. Guys, the option period allows the buyer time to inspect the home. And during this 5 to 10 day period, the buyer has the option to terminate the contract for any reason. And the option money is typically, it buys those 10 days, right? $150 to $400. So if a buyer comes in at $50 or $100, they typically just don't want to risk their money. And they could possibly be putting in offers on several properties at the same time, which is a strategy that I may have used before to secure a property. And if that's the case, you may not want to waste your time on this type of buyer, because they may just back out because they found another home. So the solution is just simply ask for higher option money check. All right, number 3, a low down payment. Guys, this is the sad truth for first-time home buyers in this market. If they don't have much cash in the bank, typically buyers use a FHA loan and put 3.5% down, which could be a red flag that they just don't have a lot of money. So if you choose this type of offer, just ask if the buyer has extra cash, because if the appraisal comes in low, again, you could be lowering your purchase price or terminating the contract. So ask to speak with their lender for confidence that they can be approved if you want to choose this offer, okay? And do that before you accept it. All right, number 4, online lenders. When taking offers, make sure you always get a pre-qualification letter. Do a little research and ask the buyer's agent if they've ever worked with this lender in the past. Guys, if it's an online lender like Quicken Loans or something like that, or they are really heavy on marketing, right? Those pre-quals are just run through a computerized system, and so they don't have as much extensive research backing their pre-qual letters, so they may not even be approved. Number 5, difficulty or slow decisions by a buyer. When a buyer is indecisive, they tend to slow the process down as much as possible to give them more time to decide, possibly backing out, costing you time, hassle, and thousands of dollars. Guys, the problem with this type of buyer is they're nervous, and they may back out quicker than a decisive one who has fallen in love with your home. So the solution is this. Just ask the agent again what the circumstances are surrounding their slow response time. Because sometimes it may just be that they work nights, or they may be a doctor or nurse and they work long shifts, and that doesn't allow them access to their phones to respond. So, but if the agent hesitates or doesn't really have an answer, you can be sure that that is a red flag. All right, I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. If you or someone that you know is thinking about selling or buying a home, text, email, contact me, call me.